Welcome to the Weather Center, everyone, and let's check on what the weather has in store for the rest of your Thursday. Thunder showers are forecasted this afternoon across the eastern Highveld areas, much of the northwest, as well as the northern and western parts of the Northern Cape. Then late in the afternoon and towards the evening hours, we are going to see the thunder showers spreading southwards along the west coast and spilling into the west coast district of the Western Cape. In the meantime, drizzly weather should persist for the KZN coastal areas and across the eastern parts of the province. It's going to stay mostly sunny for the central and southern parts of South Africa. We are expecting up to a 40% chance of rain and thunder showers this Thursday for the eastern parts of South Africa. A 40% chance of thunder showers is forecast for the western areas of the northwest, the northern and western parts of the Northern Cape. A similar chance of thunder showers is forecast in the evening for the west coast district of the Western Cape. The South African Weather Service has issued a warning for high fire danger along parts of the west coast and the adjacent interior. Wherever you see that shade of red, runaway fires are possible in places. Now it's going to be sizzling hot along the west coast and the adjacent interior. Look at Vredendal hitting the 40-degree mark. A sizzling 36 is forecast for the mother city. It's going to be a touch cooler as we go towards Appington. We're expecting a comfortable afternoon across the central and eastern parts of the country, where Johannesburg should manage a high of around 24 degrees. 26 for the top temperature in Pretoria. Similar highs are forecast for Richards Bay and Durban. However, it's going to be cooler over the interior of KwaZulu-Natal. We are expecting highs around 25 for East London and Bishop. Here's what's happening around the coastal areas this Thursday, and we start with the west coast, where great beach conditions are forecast for most areas, and we're expecting big winds to keep temperatures on the high side around Namaqualand as well as Alexander Bay. Swell heights of the west coast should average around 1.5 meters. Along the southwest coastline, we're expecting great coastal conditions as well for the Cape Peninsula as well as around Hermanus. However, strong winds are going to keep beach conditions uninviting around Cape Agulhas. Further east along the south coast, we are also expecting strong winds to keep coastal conditions poor around Port Elizabeth. However, beach conditions are going to be nice around Plettenberg Bay and Muscle Bay. Lastly, along the east coast, we are also expecting poor beach conditions around East London, where strong northeasterlies are forecast for much of your Thursday. Nicer conditions are forecast as we go towards the KZN coastal areas. That's all from the Weather Center for now. Have a great one.